Hi students, in another video, I have discussed the fact that when multiplying two exponential terms with the same exponent, like a to the power n times b to the power n, the common power n can be collected from the two terms to get a times b to the power n. Now in this video, I will talk about the case of dividing two exponential terms with the same exponent. For example, to calculate a quotient like a to the power n divided by b to the power n, we will see that we can first divide a and b, the two bases, and then apply the common power n to this quotient. Let's see how we can derive this rule.
Let's start with an example. Suppose that we have to calculate 3 to the power 4 divided by 7 to the power 4, which we can write in either of these two ways. In this quotient, the dividend 3 to the power 4 contributes 4 repetitions of 3. And the divisor 7 to the power 4 contributes 4 repetitions of 7. Now when we do the division, we have a quotient with 4 3's and 4 7's, so we can pair up each 3 with a 7 to get a total of 4 pairs of 3 and 7, or 4 repetitions of 3 by 7. And so we can write this as 3 by 7 raised to the power 4. So we can see that the original bases 3 and 7 have divided in the final result. And this was possible because both 3 and 7 had the same power 4. So both were repeated the same number of times. Now let's generalize this example. Suppose that we now have to calculate a to the power n divided by b to the power n, which we can write in either of these two ways. In this quotient, the dividend a to the power n contributes n repetitions of a, and the divisor b to the power n contributes n repetitions of b. Now when we carry out the division, we have a quotient with n a's and n b's, so we can pair up each a with a b to get a total of n pairs of a and b, or n repetitions of a by b, and hence we can write this as a by b raised to the power n. And so once again, the original bases a and b have divided in the final result, and this was possible because both a and b had the same power n, so both were repeated the same number of times. So to divide two exponential terms with the same exponent or power, like a to the power n divided by b to the power n, you can first divide a and b, the two bases, and then raise this quotient to the power n. To remember this rule easily, you can think about it as a common power distributing over the bases in a quotient, just like it distributes over the bases in a product. This means that to calculate a by b raised to the power n, you can distribute the common power n to the two bases a and b separately to get a to the power n by b to the power n. And conversely, to calculate a to the power n by b to the power n, you can collect the common power n from the two terms a to the power n and b to the power n and apply it to a by b to get a by b to the power n.
Alright, so that wraps up this video. As always, deriving is much more powerful than just memorizing to learn anything. So make sure you've understood how to derive this rule that we discussed.